There we go. Woo. Oh. All right, what's up guys? Aaron from Great Lakes RC. I got the Outcast 8S out. My son's got his Granite that I bought him for his birthday. We've had it for a few weeks now. He's been driving the heck out of it. And I haven't run this in the summer. I just ran it in the winter. I got it over the winter when they had the big sale and basically put it on half off for the EXB. Still running the system that I pulled directly out of my DBXLE. I think I got a 30 tooth with the optional spur. Still don't know if this is where this motor is going to stay, but I had a lot of fun with it when I took it out in the snow. And we're going to take it off the big boy ramp. This ramp is not the best for making it storage and portable. Gosh, I can't get this on. Ouch. So I don't know what I'm going to do with the ramp. I mostly use my plastic ramps because they're easy to move around. And then I have a smaller wooden ramp that I can take to the park with me. But this one I can only stick under my house, and it's tarped over the winter, and winter just beats it up. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it.
I'm a back.
I haven't driven big trucks in a while. Body really rattles. Mostly we've been driving the 8 scale stuff and smaller scale stuff, 10 scale stuff. It's good to get the big boys out once in a while. It is hot today. It's probably 90 out here. Summertime. Of course, the way Michigan is, it'll probably be summer for a week and then go back to fall. But right now it's summer. Boy, I don't know, this gearing's pretty good. I haven't really been able to get a sense of it. It turns better to the right than the left. Interesting. I think I ran into that problem with my Creighton too. I don't remember the servo I'm running in here. I know the DBXLE one burned up. This might be a Power HD. Woo! Yeah, I don't know. This motor's doing pretty good in here. All right, bud, I'm gonna jump it. You're right in the way. All right, here we go. Oh, okay. We'll try it. We'll go a little further away. We'll get a warm up to it. Oh yeah. Oh, these things hit so hard. Oh, they hit hard. See how well the EXB chassis holds up. You hit the ramp. Hit the ramp. Go for it. Oh, you did it. Wow, that was very, very bad. Oof.
Guess we have to get another. Guess we have to get another motor.
Is it stopped?
Yeah.
No, it's still going. Here, watch out. I'm going to jump again.
You did it on my truck.
I jumped over your truck, yeah.
Jump it again.
There we go. Woo. That hits hard. We'll talk about it later, bud. Watch out, watch out. Oh. All right, the Granite is definitely overheated. My son's bummed. The original motor was a 12 turn and it burned up on us. So I had a 9 turn that was in the Infraction Mega, which I have since upgraded to brushless. So that's what's in here right now. So I knew it was gonna overheat, unfortunately. And this guy, oh, it's just so hard on that chassis. I don't think the system is liking it. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. So abusive. Oh, this is so abusive. So abusive. Got it, barely. I wish it would flip around a little bit easier. Oh. Ramp's taking a pounding here. Wow. Whew. Yeah, let's check the punch level. Speed-wise, I think it's fine. I don't need it to go that much faster than this. Would like it to flip around, rotate in the air a little bit better. Other than that, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Oh, whoa there. All right, one more jump and then you can drive a little bit, buddy. I'll put the speed down for you. All right, here we go. Full speed. Wow. So that goes from here. About 25 feet in length. I just paced off there, but who knows how high in the air. Yeah, I can. I just want to do one more backy flip. There we go. So if you go slow up to it, it'll backflip. All right. Let's see. I got a power issue with the fan. See, the fan just stopped completely. Now turn back on. So there's a wiring issue going on. Chassis doesn't look too bad. I really want that fan to turn back on. There we go. But I'm pretty happy with the yeah, something's going on with the fan. I'm pretty happy with the gearing. Gearing works pretty good. I'm gonna check the punch and I'm just gonna keep it the way it is. Pretty fun truck. Catch you next time.